Hey, what's up? I'm going to be showing you how to properly put a snare drum together, or like stands and stuff. So what you want to do, you have both pieces. You can stick the middle one in straight away by loosening this bolt right here and slide it in. And then also tighten it as well because you don't want to lose the bolts or anything. So then you want to loosen this bottom one right here, open the legs up and slide it down. You also don't want it to go all the way to the bottom, like for it to slide all the way to the bottom, because that's just not good. You want to have it like halfway angled, like a 45 or something, 45 degrees. Also with this middle part, have it adjusted to your height. Since I'm short, this is not going to be all the way up here. You want the snare drum to rest right below like the belly button, waist level. So my stand's going to be a little bit smaller just because my snare is a little bit thicker. So this is the carrier that I have the snare drum in. I'm going to unbox it. Okay. What I like to do is keep where you turn on the snares, turn them off. I like to have that facing me, like directly to, Okay, see how my snare drum is too fat to fit, so I'm gonna have to loosen this up a tiny bit. Am I loosening it? Yep. So that the snare drum fits. Let's try it now. There we go, the snare drum fits. Yeah, then you turn on the snare. There you go, you're able to play. It's my height, so